Running a side hustle can feel like a juggling act. Client emails, social media posts, keeping up with trends. It's endless, right? But what if you didn't have to do all that alone? What if you could automate the busy work with AI, giving you back precious hours every week? In this video, I'll show you how AI can handle repetitive tasks for you, from answering messages to creating content, freeing you up to focus on what really matters in your business. And don't worry, you don't need to be a tech expert. These AI tools are easy to use even if you're just starting out. So let's dive in. For those with a side hustle, time is always in short supply. Every minute matters when you're balancing clients, projects, and a personal life. One big challenge? Keeping up with customer messages. Those inquiries and follow-ups can quickly eat away at your day, leaving less time for the work that actually grows your business. Then there's content creation, social media posts, blogs, or articles, even just keeping your brand visible online. It's essential, but can be incredibly time-consuming. And let's not forget market research. Staying on top of industry trends, knowing what your competitors are up to, understanding your audience, it's all important, but it can feel like an endless task. These are the challenges that every entrepreneur faces, but here's where AI steps in. Imagine if you could automate these repetitive tasks and get back hours of your week. Now that we've covered the common challenges, let's dive into how AI can step in to lighten the load. Imagine having a virtual assistant that never sleeps, ready to help you manage tasks, create content, and even do research at a moment's notice. First up, AI for customer support. Tools like ChatGPT can help you respond to client messages instantly, draft follow-ups, and even create polished emails in seconds. Just type in a quick prompt, and you'll have a professional reply ready to go. Ever wonder why executives have administrative assistants? It's so that the assistant can do all the tasks that needs to be done, but would keep the executive from doing the work that makes them the money. AI is like having a personal assistant who's always on call, saving you hours every week. Next, let's talk content creation. Need a catchy Instagram post, or a blog introduction, or even ad copy? AI tools can generate text that matches your style and keeps your audience engaged, all with a few quick prompts. No more staring at a blank screen or stressing over word choices. AI has you covered. Think I wrote this video? Think again. I told ChatGPT what I wanted, had it create the script, and then I came in and polished it, like this copy here. Finally, AI for market research. With tools like ChatGPT, you can easily summarize industry trends, gather insights about your target audience, or even analyze competitors, helping you stay informed without spending hours sifting through information. These tools are powerful, accessible, and designed to make your life easier. And the best part? You don't need a tech background to use them. Just learn a little bit about AI prompt writing, and you've got 99.9% of your competition beat. Now let's go step by step through how you can start using AI to automate your side hustle. Each of these steps will show you exactly how to integrate AI tools into your workflow. First, let's look at customer communication. Instead of spending time drafting responses for every client message, you can use ChatGPT to generate quick, professional replies. Simply type in your prompt, and ChatGPT will craft a response that's ready to go. This saves you time while ensuring your communication stays polished and consistent. Next, content creation. Need a quick caption for Instagram, a headline for a blog post, or an eye-catching call to action? AI can help you create engaging content on the fly. By providing a simple prompt, you can get AI to generate posts that keep your social media fresh without you needing to brainstorm every word. Finally, market research. Staying informed about your industry can be time-consuming, but AI can give you a shortcut. Use ChatGPT to quickly pull insights about your target market, analyze competitors, or explore new trends. You'll get valuable information without spending hours digging through articles and reports. These steps are easy to follow and perfect for anyone who wants to free up time and focus on the bigger picture in their side hustle. Now that you've seen how to integrate AI into your side hustle, let's go over some tips to get the most out of these tools. With a few best practices, you can make your AI experience even smoother and more effective. Tip number 1. Be specific with your prompts. The more details you provide, the better the output. Instead of a vague request, give clear instructions so AI can deliver results that are closer to what you need. Tip number 2. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different phrasing, add context, or specify the tone you want. You'll discover that small tweaks in your prompt can make a big difference in the quality of the output. Tip number 3. Save your favorite prompts. If you find a prompt that works well, keep it on hand. This will save you time and ensure consistency, especially for tasks you do regularly. Tip number 4. Have a conversation with the AI. If it gives you most of what you want the first or second time, tell it that you like what it gave you, but you want to change this part, and describe the change. It's amazing just how quickly you can get even better results than you had in mind originally. And finally, as your business changes, make sure to update your prompts. AI can adapt to your evolving needs, so keep refining and adjusting based on what's working best for you. With these tips, you'll be able to make the most of your AI tools, helping you stay efficient, consistent, and always a step ahead. And that's it. You've now got the tools to start automating parts of your side hustle with AI. Imagine the time you'll save and how much more you can accomplish by letting AI handle those repetitive tasks. From customer messages to content creation and research, these AI tools are here to help you work smarter, not harder. If you're of a certain age, those words will resonate hard. So here's what I'd love for you to do. Try out AI in your side hustle and see the difference for yourself. Start with something small and see how much time you save. Then tell me how it worked in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more practical AI tips. In my next video, I'll show you how to use AI to create a custom workout plan so you can always stay in shape.